grade 2 learners. You are welcome to our English language lessons, and this is Auntie Barbara, your facilitator. Now, today we are coming to talk about a new topic, which is called the present continuous aspect or the present continuous tense. Now, in our last lesson, do you remember what we talked about? Okay, we talked about questions and what? Responses. How to answer questions, how to respond to questions using yes and no. Yes and no. And we learned that yes goes with what? A positive response, and no goes with what? A negative response. Good. So today we are going to talk about the present continuous aspect. Now when we say present continuous aspect, what do we mean by that? Now let's look at it. The present continuous tells what one is doing and the time one is talking. So something that is still taking place now. Okay, so as you are there now, what are you doing? Are you learning, eating, bathing, playing? As Auntie Barbara is here, what is she doing? Is she teaching? Yes, good. So something that is still taking place as you are talking. That is what we call what? The present continuous or the present continuous tense or aspect. Now let's look at how we form present continuous. How the present continuous is formed. Now we said that, or we are saying that to form the present continuous tense, we use is or are and add ing to the verbs. We use is, are before we add what? Ing to the verbs. So to change a verb to its present continuous aspect, or to change a verb to the present continuous tense, we use is, are, and add what? Ing to the verb. Now let's look at how we do this. Is used for what? One person, one thing. That is he, she, it. When you are using it in a sentence, we use what? Is. Now let's go to are. Are is for what? Two or more people, two or more things. They, we, two or more. Now, we are going to form or change some verbs into its present continuous aspect. The first one is go. To change go to present continuous, we will add what? Ing to go. So go plus what? Ing will give us what? Going. Now, let's use it to form a sentence. Kofi is going to go. Kofi is going home. Kofi is going home. Now, Kofi is one person. Is that not it? So we use what? Is. So Kofi is going home. Let's look at the next one. Laugh. Laugh. Laugh plus ing will give us what? Laughing. Laugh plus ing will give us what? Laughing. The children are laughing. The children are laughing. Children, more than one. So we use what? Are. The children are laughing. Walk. To change walk into its present continuous, you add ing. So walk plus ing will give us what? Walking. Walk plus ing will give us what? Walking. Essie is walking to school. Essie is walking to school. Essie is one person. She. So we use what? Is. Essie is walking to school. Now the next one. Eat. 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 To change it to its present continuous, we will add ing to what? Eat. So eat plus ing will give us what? Eating. Yao is eating fufu. Yao is eating fufu. So since Yao is one person, which is he, we use what? Is. We can't say Yao are eating fufu. No. Yao are eating fufu. No. Yao is eating fufu. Now the next one. Talk. Talk. Talk plus ing will give us what? Talking. Talk plus ing will give us what? Talking. Can you form a sentence with talk for me? Kofi and Amma are Barbara is talking. Good. So this is where we will end today's lesson. In our next lesson, we will still continue the present continuous aspect and find out how we also form some verbs or change some verbs into its present continuous. Thank you and have a nice day.